Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to discuss about first class maths, the fourth chapter, that is subtractions up to 10. So children, in the previous class already we have learned about the subtractions by crossing out method. So subtractions by using the crossing out. So today we are going to learn about the subtractions using the number strips. So what is the symbol for subtraction, children? Minus. So for the addition we have to use the plus symbol, and in the subtraction we will use the minus symbol. So children, you remember that always you should remember the minus symbol for subtraction and the plus symbol for addition. Okay children. So in additions also we have done the additions by using the number strips. In the same way, in our subtraction also, today we are going to learn the subtractions by using the number strips. So here I have drawn the number strips, children, on the board. So from 0 to 10 numbers I have drawn. So the two numbers they have given already. Okay children. Now we have to do the subtractions. So children, in additions, how we have done the how we will do the additions on the number strips? By moving the numbers to the forward. So that is in the addition, children. But in the subtractions, so we have to come backwards, not the forward. So in addition we used to use the small number, because the small number if you take and the big number after if you count, the calculation will be very easy and will go fast. In the subtraction, not the same. So here always in the subtraction we have to take the big number. From the big number only we can subtract the small number. So always we have to take the big number. So from the small number can we do the big number subtraction? Suppose you have 2 chocolates. Can you give 3 chocolates to your brother? You can't give, because you are having only 2. How could you give the 3 chocolates to him? That is highly impossible. So in the same way, subtraction is like that only. So suppose if you have 3 chocolates and your mother told give 1 chocolate to your brother, means easily you can give, because 3 chocolates are there with you and 1 chocolate you can give to your brother, then the remaining will be there with you. So like that only. Always in the subtraction we have to take the big number, not the small number. In addition, always the small number and the big number after we can count. Addition we can take only the small number. But in subtraction, always we have to take the big number. Okay children? Now in addition, the number strips when we are using, we have to go forward. So like this we will go forward jumps. The jump will take to forward. But in the subtraction, it comes to the backward. So the jumps will come backwards. So let us see how we can do the subtraction using a number strip. Children, here we can see the first one. If we see 1, then we will have an idea. So the first one they have given it is 7 minus. Children, the symbol is minus. 7 minus 4 is equal to how much they are asking. Okay children. Now how we can do this on a number strip. So the first number here, what is this children? 7. So on the number strip we can take the 7 here. Okay children, this is the 7. So we'll begin from a number 7. So the second number, how much they gave here? 4. So we have to come backwards. 4 jumps to the backward. Not if here 4 is there, so directly we can go for 4. So we have to take the 4 jumps backward. So forward you should not go. Forward means in addition. Subtraction, the same jump it will come to the backward. So 7 minus 4 we have to take the subtraction. So let us count children. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we come to the 4, the 4 jumps come backward, then where it stopped children? 3. So the answer is 3. Okay children, here we got the answer very easy. Just you have to take the jumps not for forward, the same as like that only backward. In addition means we are adding. so it will go forward jumps. Subtraction, so it will come backward jumps. Okay children, so 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So 4 jumps we have taken, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 jumps after the number it came and stopped near 3. So 3 is the answer. Let us see the second one children. Here what they have given 9 minus 7. So the first number is 9. So let us begin from the 9. So here is the number, begin from the 9. Okay children. Now the second number is children 7. So 7 jumps backward. So let us count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here came and stopped. Okay children. So here 7 is there, means 9 to 7 directly you can keep under like that, you should not say. That is wrong. So 9 minus 7 means you have to take the 7 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7th jump it came and stopped near 2. So this is the answer 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Here we have the answer. So if we want, we can check it also. If the 9 fingers we can take children like this, 5 and a 4. 9 minus 7. 7 we have to take out, means we have to fold. So 4, 5, 7 fingers. 5, 6, 7. 7 fingers fold means how many are remaining? 2. Here we got the answer 2. So the same. Let us see the third one. One more example we will do children. 8 minus 4. So what we have to do children, first of all 8. The first number is here 8. So first of all we have to start from 8. So 8 to 2 will start and a minus 4. 4 are. So 4 jumps we have to take backward. Remember children, backward. Subtraction always the backward. Addition we have to go forward. So let us count children. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So where it stopped children? The number 4. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 4 is the answer. And the last one children, 1. So the first number is here 5 minus 1. So first number, begin from a 5. Minus 1. Only 1 we have to take a backward jump. 1 jump if you take, so where it stop? 4. 4. See, 5 fingers. 1 only we have to take out. 1 I fold the finger, remaining 4. There we got the answer 4. So in this way, here we can complete by using the number strips. The subtraction by using the number strips. Children, all of you, the textbook page number 107. Page number 107 children. Here there are some number strips are there children. Here we can see the number strips. They have already drawn the number strips for you. So just they have given the numbers also children. Here they have a circle. So like this answer they have given. So I used the square box. Here they have given a circle for you. So children, answers you have to write in the circle. And by using the subtraction we have to do the number strips. So take your pencils children. All of you do it very carefully and neatly. So in the same way how I have said. So children, all of you follow these examples and do it very neatly children in our textbook. So complete in your textbooks children the page number 107 subtractions by using on the number strips. So here we have completed this exercise subtraction by using the number strips. I hope all of you understood children this one. Thank you.